morning and welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since the last one that I'm making a vlog because I'm quite busy and on what's going around the world. It's kind of not applicable to make some vlog for me. Just for my sake. That's on my part. But by the way, today it's been, I don't know how many days we are sailing, but for sure it's kind of almost a month since the last time we had the guest, and I'm here on the guest cabin for the company. It's like a SOP on some sort of health thingy. So I'm gonna tour you today on my suite. First, I'm here in the couch where I usually watch movie and when I usually have nothing to do. So there is my TV. There's a lot of channels, movies and everything there. I'm gonna show you the menu for movies. Yeah, a lot of movies to see. And there I have a mini bar, but it doesn't have any alcohol. It's just have some sort of glasses, wine glasses, champagne, and everything there. You could see my espresso machine there. Nice espresso machine. And my mini ref. But it's not working now. And I don't want to use it because I have nothing to put on. So that's what you usually see. I also have a balcony where you could see from outside, from here. It's kind of quite sailing. Smooth sailing. And some sort of cloudy. I don't know. The temperature outside is kind of cold. You need a jacket. You need to put jacket on when you're going outside. And I'm gonna tour you around here. So here is my bed. There I have these lampshades where you could use also when you're reading at night. And there's painting. Their telephone and everything. I will tour you with my walk-in closet. It's kind of nice. Of course, there would be always a life jacket. And this, how do you call this one? It's a safety box. Drawers and everything. And could see my mirror, full-length mirror. Hello guys, and behind me is my full-length mirror. In the front is like this with the LED light over here. Where is it? Over here. Just a nice place to make makeup, put makeup on. And in this kind of situation around the world, we should always wash our hands also, and I always have this sanitizer here for my hands. And I'm gonna show you how it looks inside the toilet, but just a quick one. So this is the regular toilet. As usual, you have this one, the shower, and like a mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? I don't know because I cannot see my face clearly. My phone is kind of difficult to do like this when you're just filming your own video clip or everything. By the way guys, I'll see you around the world for more Gracie Arte problems. Please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And always stay healthy, keep safe, and wash your hands. See you!